Alright, so we have a Dell Inspiron 15 with a cracked screen. You're going to get a thin little pry tool, and you're going to basically take your pry tool and go around the seam. Make sure that you pop every clip all the way around until you get to the end. Before you continue, make sure that you do release the battery so there's no electricity going to the screen, just like that. Now, once you have the bezel off and the battery removed, there's going to be 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll go ahead and take those out now. Alright, so after you take out the 4 screws from each corner of the LCD screen frame, you go ahead and pull it off the little black tabs right here. Alright, and it just lays down like such. And then the connector, be very careful with the connector. You want to go ahead and pull the adhesive tape up. Be very careful not to make any sudden movements to rip the gold connector out. Be very careful. And now that that's up, you can go ahead and pop the little latch, and it just pops up real simple. And then grab it from the back. Sometimes you have to use your spudger and just pull it back ever so gently until it wiggles out free. Alright, so you got that. And to install the new screen is reverse order. Lay it down, plug in your connector, make sure you route these cables, screw in all 4 corners, and then snap along your bezel. It slides right in and it snaps perfectly in place. Thank you for watching.